Google is on fire lately. I mean, not the literal fire, but they have been releasing so many updates related to AI that they're winning this entire AI race single-handedly. So Google has just released this Chrome DevTools MCP. You can add this MCP server directly inside your AI code editor, something like Cursor, Windsurf, or in my case, I'm using it with KiloCode and in Augment Code. But what exactly this DevTools MCP server actually does? So all of these AI agents face a fundamental problem. They are not able to see what the code they generate actually does when it runs in a browser. They are effectively just programming with like just a blindfold on. So the Chrome DevTools MCP server changes this. These AI agents are now able to debug web pages directly in Chrome and benefit from DevTools debugging capabilities and performance insights. So basically, using this DevTools MCP server, now AI code editors can actually see what kind of errors they are facing when the project is run in a browser. Usually most of these AI code editors use Playwright, but this Chrome DevTools MCP server is more effective than Playwright. So here are some of the use cases that are mentioned here. So this MCP server verifies the code changes in real time. It can diagnose network and console error. It can simulate user behavior. It can also debug live styling and layout issues, and also it can automate performance audit. To use this MCP server inside your AI code editor, it's just like super simple. You just need to copy this code from here and then just like go to your MCP server section. So let's suppose if you are using Klein or KiloCode, so you can just like click on that and then you can just like go to your MCP server section, which is this one. So let me just click on done. Let me just go to the MCP server section, and here you can just like click on this edit global MCP. You can either like add it globally, like for all of your projects, or you can just like add it just for this particular project that you have just opened. So you can just like click on maybe edit global MCP, and then you can just like paste that code that you copied from here. So this is the code that you copied. So let's suppose if you have like other MCP servers as well, so you just need to copy this portion of code only. So just paste it in here, and now that's it. And you can see this MCP server is added in here, and now you can see there are total 26 tools that this MCP server actually uses. One of those tools is list console messages, emulate CPU, then emulate network, click, drag, fill form, hover. So let's suppose if you have like any sort of maybe issue while filling a form, or like any sort of front end issue, or maybe some sort of like API call issue, so all of that can be now resolved using this MCP server. This can literally solve most of your front end errors that you usually face during your development. Now similarly, if you're using Augment Code, in my case I'm a regular user of Augment Code, so I can just like go to this settings tab from here, and now in here in this tools section you can just find there is this MCP section, and then there is this option to add MCP, or maybe you can just like import from JSON. So if you just click on that, import from JSON, so this code is basically JSON code. So you can just like paste that code in here, click on import button, and then it will just like install that MCP server, and here you can find it. This is the Chrome DevTools MCP server. Now let's just conduct a few tests that are mentioned in here. You can see there are some of these like prompts which are mentioned in here that you can just like copy paste inside your AI coding agent. So let me just copy this prompt, which is please check the LCP of web.dev. So let me just copy from here and then paste that prompt inside my Augment Code. So this is my project right now, you can see, and I'll just paste that prompt in here, press enter, and now let's just see how it will actually work. Is it going to use the Chrome DevTools? Yes, it is going to use the Chrome DevTools to compare it with our landing page performance. So previously it used to use Playwright, and now you can see it is using Chrome DevTools. So what we did, we asked it to check the LCP of web.dev. So what is LCP? It is just like short form of largest contentful paint. So it compared LCP of web.dev with our landing page, and you can see first it opened that web.dev website, and then it took like a screenshot, analyzed that, and also checked the network request for web.dev to see the complexity, and then it switched back to our landing page to compare. And here you can see there is this performance. The performance of our editorial landing page is A+, and of web.dev is B, because our editorial landing page is just like a simple index.html file with script.js and simple.style.css file. So you can see first it opened this web.dev, and then it opened our landing page. Then it listed the key performance insights, and you can see our landing page is faster because it is simpler architecture, optimized design system, editorial approach, and web.dev's performance challenges are complex infrastructure because like very complex page, enterprise features, analytics tracking, A/B testing frameworks, and content management system. So performance wise, our landing page is better than this one because our landing page is just like a simple landing page. So now you can easily identify all of those front-end errors that used to like take hours and hours to just identify a simple error, or just copying those errors from browser and then pasting that inside AI code editor to then just find what's wrong. So now it can automatically be done using this MCP server. So it's super helpful. Just go ahead and give it a try and let me know in the comment section what you think about this amazing new MCP server. I'll see you next video. Bye bye.